Children, let's see the upper body parts. This is head and face. This is chest and stomach. This is upper arm. This is forearm. This is hand. This is arm. Children, let's see the lower body parts. This is thigh. This is calf muscles. This is foot. Totally, this is leg. The things we wear is called accessories, children. For example, we wear dress, watch, etc. These are all called accessories. Now, match the accessories to its correct body part. Shall we match it? Yes. For coolers, we wear it eyes. For hands, gloves. For head, hat. For legs, shoes. You should do it in your book. Okay? Match each accessory and clothing to its body portion. Now let us see the upper parts of the body. Head, eyes, nose, ears, neck, hands and chest. These are all the upper body parts. Now let us match the accessories to the upper body parts. Let us see that. These are all gloves. Gloves to your hands. Then this is hat. Hat to your head. Then this is t-shirt. We wear it to our chest, upper portion. Then this is scarf. We wear it around our neck. Then lower part of the body. Legs, knees, toes. Now let us see the lower part accessories. Pant, we wear it in our legs. This one, shoes in our toes. Socks in our skirt in our hip. You should do it in your book.